So Lions Barber Collective has a vision of a world free from suicide and a mission to create non-clinical, non-judgmental safe spaces where people feel comfortable to talk about mental health and then signpost them to sport and information. We basically educate barbers and hairdressers to have those conversations around mental health safely, and probably my favourite thing to do is the awareness. We pop up barbershops, safe spaces in different places where I think men feel able to express their emotion, they're emotionally charged. At football stadium, we're allowed to cry, you're allowed to hug, you're allowed to shout, scream, be angry and cheer. And so we figured if we can get into these spaces, offer free haircuts, it's engaging, and then we can start the conversation around mental health and well-being.
Absolutely, I have some of my best conversations at the barbers normally, you chat about anything and everything. It does take confidence, I know there's a lot of stigma around it, whether people try and fight it or not, so sometimes it does take some strength.
The importance of talking about issues and seeking help is often for men especially something that's a big step to take. So initiatives like the Lions Barbers Collective is really innovative and a nice and engaging way of getting people to open up and hopefully seek help and in turn save lives.
The key thing is, I think, for men, when you talk about your own personal experience and about mental health, you find people who you can trust, you find people who you are honest and open with, and you just have a conversation with them. It's not about saying something specific, it's not about saying the right thing or the wrong thing, it's about opening up. As long as you say what's on your heart, what's on your mind, you say that to the people, you'll be better off.